Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick review about this website called Fastmail. So we're going to dive deep into its pros and cons together with the features to see if this website really meet up with the hype. So to get started, Fastmail is a service that lets you create a private email account. It's like your own special mailbox online. You choose your email address. You can even use your domain. This means your business email address can also be professional. It has a professional look. Fastmail help you access your email quickly. It's fast. They also provide a calendar and a contact. This makes it easy to stay organized. If you have a team, anyone can use it. They will support you if you have a problem. You can even open an account quickly. Fastmail help each other users keep their information safe. It's like having a safe place for your online messages. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, Fastmail stand out with a features designed for users who have value privacy control and efficiency. So in this video we're going to explore some of the best features that makes Fastmail a top choice. So one of these best features is a custom business email together with a create temporal email address together with a contact and a calendar. It also comes with these key features called migration. And talking about the pricing plan for this website, Fastmail offer a different plan to suit the various things. And here's the breakdown of the plan. So talking about the plan, we have different type of plan. So here are the list of the plan name. We have the basic, we have the standard, we also have the professional. So you can use the link in the video to access the website to check the pricing plan to decide which of this plan can work best for your business or for your email campaign. So that's it. So talking about the pros and cons, it is good to understand the advantages and the disadvantages of a website. So this will help you decide if Fastmail suits for your need. And here's the breakdown of these pros and cons. So talking about the pros, it comes with a privacy focus and ad-free, custom domain support, and also reliable support together with the GMAP protocol. So talking about the downside, which is a paid service and no free trial, it also comes with a potential learning curve and the storage limit. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. Thanks.